isn't it?
But yeah, it's basically just getting into like,
Because Harley needs another bike.
Oh, I always need another bike. Dublin come no kids. Could be a new baby. I like it. I like the colour.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Zips. The zip hubs aren't too big, but you can change them. Yeah. This is how we do it. This is the household.
Yeah, this is how we do it.
Kitchen is the workshop. Good. This is showing up alright?
Action.
Right, so here we have, this is a little seat clamp from your Defy Giant Advance. Sometimes these get frozen a bit, right? So you can't angle your seat angle. So what you do is take it off your carbon frame, take it off, undo your little 4mm, your little 5mm bolt, and then one of them will generally pop out. Let's say it doesn't pop out, you can put a screwdriver, let's say one of them's popped out and the other one hasn't. Just put a screwdriver in there and then you just give it a tap of a hammer, boom, and it'll just pop out. That's my little tip for
Pro tip.
get them out. Generally one of them will come out. So if you can pull one out, then the other one will come out real easy. If you got any tips, let me know down below.
Alfie number?
And
Me? Yes, you can.
there we go, we're getting phone numbers here, giant tips.
He was like, was that because I was...
Little oyster catcher. First I've ever seen. Out on the training loop. The bitches. Here is a little vegan hokkien noodles. Everything's vegan here. Even whiskers.
Hey. Hey.
my Chinese is
I'm sure it's better than
my
mine.
pronunciation is a lot better than yours.